Hey guys, welcome back. So if you're watching this, it means you're getting ready to take your physical science midterm. So I just wanted to go over a few things and make sure I reiterate some of the important stuff before you get started. So as a reminder, your midterm is worth 20% of your quarter one grade, and it is due by this Friday, October 28th at 2:15 p.m. Not 11:59, 2:15. So the end of the school day. I got to be able to get your midterms graded and your grades submitted so that report cards can go out ASAP. So this page is typical lesson page. It looks the same as all your lessons. There's not much different here, but because it is your midterm, I wanted to make sure that we were all on the same page. So, just a reminder, you have your periodic table and your polyatomic ion chart here. You can use both of these on your midterm. You cannot use Google search engines. You cannot use another person. That is a violation of your academic integrity, and you will get a 0 if I find out that you cheated. So please don't do that because this midterm is worth a big chunk of your quarter one grade. As always, you will complete a certification saying that you have an understanding of your academic integrity policy. So it's just clicking yes, I understand I'm not supposed to cheat. If I cheat, I get a 0, and that will go in PowerSchool. Also, there is a certification to say, yes, I've watched this video that you're watching right now. So if you're watching this video and you make it to the end, you click yes, you understand. If no, you don't understand how to take your midterm, reach out to me immediately so I can hop on a Zoom and help you, okay? So once you do that, that's PowerSchool. Once you do that, you are going to, as always, go to Mastery Connect. You will enter the test ID that will come from that Google form you just completed. So once again, as always, when you submit this, the test ID will come up. It'll say midterm test ID, and you will copy that and you will paste it into Student Mastery Connect. You will enter your test ID and then your test will come up. Now here is why I'm making this video. Your midterm will look a little bit different than the unit tests that you have taken so far. And what I mean by that is the district did not make a midterm for you, so I had to just make your midterm. So I had to write your entire midterm. And because of that, I had to upload it to Mastery Connect as a PDF. So I didn't do it as an itemized test. I did it as a PDF because that was just easier and it allowed me a little bit more variety on your test. So you're still going to take it digitally on Mastery Connect, but what you're going to see when you open it up is you are going to see a PDF on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, you're going to see a bubble sheet. So it'll have questions 1 through 30, and it will be a bubble sheet that has answers A through D. You just click on the bubble sheet, okay? For some reason, Mastery Connect won't let me show it to you, like I can't physically record it, but you'll see what I'm talking about. So you will see a screen that looks very similar to this, where you have the questions on the left-hand side, but what will be different is on the right-hand side, you'll see a bubble sheet, okay? So it'll look like one of the bubble sheets you bubble in with a pencil, but all you'll have to do is click the answer. So instead of going through question by question, you will have just a bubble sheet that you'll scroll through, and you will make sure to answer the question on the left and match it up with your bubble sheet on the right, okay? So again, I just wanted to reiterate to be careful on this one, since you're going to have to read the questions from the left and answer it in the bubble sheet on the right. When you're reading through these, the way the PDF is created, it will go in order on the left-hand side. So 3 is on the left, then 4 will be below it, and then you'll have to pop back up, and you'll be able to scroll through it at your leisure, so you'll be able to see it all at once. But then you'll have to scroll back up and do 5, 6, and 7 before moving on, and then 8 will start on the left-hand side, etc. So I'm not going to scroll through this entire test because this is your midterm, but I'm just going to reiterate. I'm telling you right now, you only get one shot at this midterm, And you want to make sure the correct answer sheet on the bubble sheet that will be here on the right is lining up with the question in the PDF, okay? So when you read question 1 on your bubble sheet, make sure you're clicking the correct answer for question 1. When you get to the end, you'll submit it like always, and it will immediately grade it. I have an answer key in Mastery Connect, so it'll go ahead and grade it for you. It's all multiple choice. It's all in Mastery Connect, so you want to finish it in one session. But I just wanted to make sure to tell you to be careful that you're answering the right question with the right answer on the bubble sheet. If you are confused and you can't figure it out, ask me before submitting your test, because I would rather get onto Zoom with you and make sure you understand how to do it than to have you make a mistake, get your bubble sheet all off, and then you fail your midterm, okay? Last thing, if you have a test read aloud accommodation, the line reader doesn't work with a PDF in Mastery Connect, but you can use Google Read and Write. So if you have the Google Read and Write extension on your Chromebook, you can use that and the line reader will work, or the Google Read and Write will work. And if you can't figure that out, if you've never used Google Read and Write, I can either help you set that up, or of course we can meet on Zoom and I will read your midterm to you to make sure you have your accommodation. But that is pretty much it. If you don't have any questions, you can get started on your midterm. If you get into Mastery Connect and you find that you are confused, just please shoot me a text or an email and I will help you out. And that's it. Good luck, and I will catch you guys in our next Zoom or in our next lesson.